Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other pairs like Gold USD, Euro USD, GBP USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the forecast chart of GBP JPY in front of us right now, and as we can clearly see on the chart that we have a fresh selling on the GBP JPY again. And to be honest, if you look at the chart of DXY, you can see that as per our calculation, DXY is going up again after the retracement here. DXY is in uptrend. It means dollar is going up, GBP British pound is weakening. As a result, we are also witnessing selling on the GBP JPY because pound is weakening. As a result, if you want to short the market here, or if you have already short the market here, be on the trade and continue your short position, and your take profit target will be 149.50 because there is a huge selling pressure on the market right now. Because honestly speaking, the chart of GBP JPY, okay, I'm not much comfortable here, okay, because we have got some sharp moves here, okay. When market went up, it went up sharply. Again, when it is coming down, it is also going down sharply. So that's why I'm saying that if you have already short term market, then be on the trade with your stop loss above this level, okay. And if you are looking for a fresh position, if you want to short term market, yes, you can also short term market right now as well, okay. Just keep in mind that you must use proper stop loss here, and your stop loss will be above this level around 151.25 or 30 level. Because see, stop loss is extremely essential because we are seeing heavy sharp moves, sharp recovery on GBP JPY, so you must be careful. And on the other hand, if market comes down and reaches this level, just keep in mind that 149.50 has been acting as a very strong support for the market. So if market bounces from 149.50 level, just like the previous times, you can initiate a buy. Just keep in mind, you will only buy when market will be bouncing, or when you'll find market trading above 149.50 again. For example, here, see, market crossed the 149.50 level. That doesn't mean that you will short the market or buy here. No, we'll only go for a buy when you'll see that market is trading above the support again. Here at this particular portion here, you got the confirmation that yes, market is still respecting 149.50 as a valid support, then only you should go for buy. So same here, if you find market respecting 149.50 again, you can initiate a buy. Otherwise, no, that's it. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood what you need to do. So if you want to short the market, you can short the market with your stop loss above this level. And if you want to only trade at the weekly level or more safer level, then you can initiate a buy at this particular level when market will be bouncing. That's it. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.